As you may know, I have an ongoing saga, a dilemma with my hair. DIY fails left and right, and so we're going to try something new. See how it's all orange and brassy? So we're going to do DIY purple shampoo. I bought this for my daughter who wanted blue hair. Instead, she got her hair highlighted professionally, and I'm left with this blue hair dye, and so I'm thinking we're going to use it to tame the brassiness. Today we're going to make our own blue shampoo, which is actually going to be a purple shampoo with this tanzanite ion color and some conditioner. Alright, so put it in here and I'll mix it all up. It's a lot more purple than I would have thought. I thought I should have gone in a little thinner, a little lighter color, but let's just go for it. I'm pretty scared, I'm not going to lie. I think I'm going to wait about like now. I got it all evenly through it, and I'm going to like rinse it now. So it happened, right? What does a good YouTuber do when they turn their hair blue? You don't turn back and go for professional help. You press on ahead. Okay, so I've mixed some titanium and some of that blue again. And I made it a color that is a little bit lighter than my last one, but very muted. So my guess is it's going to look really muted gray when it's done, but that's okay if we get rid of this orange. Okay, that's the plan. So we're going for it again. Okay, so remember I said I was going to go with it, so I went with it, and I still didn't go with it enough. And apparently the back looks terrible, so we're going to do it again. And then I have blue hair. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so decided to go full blue. So we'll see you soon. And I'm waiting 2 hours. Okay, so this is how it ended up. I know it's blue. I am not blonde. It's blue, blue, blue. Not at all what I wanted. Not at all what I wanted for the summer. I wanted to be blonde for the summer. If this was October, I'd be happy, but this is what I got. So am I disappointed? Yes. But I have blue hair. I'm 45 years old. I never thought I'd have blue hair in my life, and I have blue hair, so I'm gonna go with it for a couple days, and then try to figure out how to go back blonde. Thanks for watching. See you later. I did cry.